Oh friends, check out the new Camo 200 watt solar panels made by Cros. This is what you get in the box here. You got your instructions. Four connectors, an Anderson cable. This is direct from solar to your power station. Right there, barrel plug, and then, which is kind of cool. I thought they added this is C4s to alligator clips. It's not very thick wire. It's maybe an 8 gauge. And 4 connectors and another barrel jack. They never give you enough cables. You always got to get adapters. And I'll have to get an adapter for my solar controller. And here's one of those legs that pops up, which I like. Comes with 4. All right, let's get it set up. Okay, everything's set up. Got the legs. Got nearly full sun. Got it connected. There's my USB charger. And then the actual cable with MC4 connectors, but they never give you enough cable, so I have an adapter that goes into an XP connection, which is kind of the standard now. And I'm bringing in 115 watts. 115 watts, and my battery will be charged in 5 hours using solar. And of course the solar panels are 200 watts, but they bring in 18 volts 18 volts output into battery charger, or produce 18 volts in any charge controller. So I'm getting a little wind here, and I'm also getting a little bit of clouds with the sun. One thing I do like is with the wind, the solar panels don't blow over. But I have noticed good sun, I've gotten about 129 in watts, and when the sun disappears behind the clouds, I'm at 118. So not bad, not great. Let's see if we get a little more sun. On the solar, it's actually dropped a little bit. It's at 112, 111. Oh, now it's back to 16. Cloud must have went away. Oh, now I'm at 122. 122 watts. Coming in on my 200 watt solar. Oh, bumped up to 127. Just by angling them a little different, I'm getting a little bit more out of a sunny, somewhat cloudy day. So yeah, on the Cros Solar 200 watt solar panels, I like it for a sunny, cloudy-ish day. The best I was able to get is 130 watts out of a 200 watt solar panel. It's decent. I like to see more about 140. With most foldable solar panels, from what I've seen and experienced, is they usually get about 140, somewhere in that range, 150. On some of the more expensive ones, you might get a little bit more, but for a somewhat of a non-name brand, Cros Solar, pretty nice. It's well built. It's not flimsy, which I really liked. It didn't wobble, and it was kind of windy today, and it didn't fall or take off. I do wish it had the grommets instead of the little straps here. I don't know how long that's going to last. You can hang it, which is nice, but I like the size of it, so I can fit it in the van. Again, with Vanlife, you got to think small. You can't take these huge solar panels, but 200 is a good mid-range solar panel if you are looking for solar panels to charge your devices, laptops, phones, and even refrigerators. As far as a 12-volt compact refrigerator, you can do that with the 200-watt solar panels. I wouldn't do it with anything less than 200 watts. 400 watts is great too, but going to take up a lot more space. And again, with these solar panels, you can put these in the sun, keep your vehicle in the shade. This is 25 by 20, if you're wanting to know. And it's monocrystalline solar panels, which most of the foldable ones are made that way. It's rated IP66, which is decent. It's not great. And what IP66 is: dust, water, sun rays. The protection on it. 68's better, but it is 66, so I just wanted to mention that. We'll find out later in time how it's hold up. But yeah, otherwise pretty decent. And again, it's 200 watts and it's 18 volts out, so that's max. Some other solar panels do more than 18 volts, but then you're going to pay probably $100 more. So I just wanted to review this. I think for the price of it, with everything that you get in it, plus the legs, which are pretty sturdy with a good stitch, and an actual USB charger, it's a pretty good deal. I like paying $1 a watt. That's pretty good. But check out the link below. It'll have a coupon. It's 30% off the original price. And of course, always check in with Prime Day sales for discounts as well. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, share if you like, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care, y'all.